SUVs are the most popular vehicles in the world due to their versatility compared to sedans and vans, which serve fewer purposes. Despite some complaints about their large sizes, China has introduced a luxury car that combines the power of SUVs and sports cars in a compact luxury crossover SUV. This new vehicle, the Zeekr X, is shaking the car industry with its advanced technology and futuristic interior features, such as a moving center console. At first glance, the Zeekr X may seem like an ordinary compact vehicle with standard performance for everyday driving, but it's quite the opposite. The Zeekr X boasts one of the fastest accelerations in its class, comparable to the Tesla Model Y, when compared to other high-end cars like the Volkswagen ID.4, BMW X1, Hyundai Ioniq 5, Kia EV6, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and Audi E-Tron. The Zeekr X stands out with superior performance and overall specifications, potentially leaving its competitors behind when it enters the market. The Zeekr X is produced by Zeekr, a premium brand under the parent company Geely. Zeekr was founded to manufacture and sell premium electric cars, and has quickly achieved significant success, with estimated revenue of over $7.28 billion and more than 200,000 vehicles sold within 3 years of its founding. The Zeekr X's outstanding performance and advanced features make it a compelling choice among luxury electric vehicles. Its combination of SUV power and sports car agility, along with its compact size and high-tech interior, sets it apart from other vehicles in its category. Considering these attributes, the Zeekr X appears to be a worthwhile investment for those seeking a luxury electric car. The parent company of Zeekr, Geely Automobile Holdings, is a Chinese conglomerate that owns other brands such as Volvo, Lotus, Lynk & Co., and Radar. Zeekr benefits from Volvo's core principles of luxury, safety features, and reliability, which have significantly influenced the Zeekr X's performance. This impact was evident during the crash tests conducted by the European New Car Assessment Program, Euro NCAP, where the Zeekr X achieved an impressive 5-star rating. It scored 91% for adult occupant protection, 90% for child occupant protection, 84% for road user protection, and 83% for safety assist features, thanks to its advanced sensors and safety technologies. The Zeekr X boasts one of the most futuristic and appealing designs in the market, a sharp contrast to the more conventional designs of other new cars. This innovative design is the work of Stefan Seeloff, a German car designer who previously worked for luxury car manufacturers like Audi and Mercedes-Benz before joining Geely Auto Group. The Zeekr X's windshield, bonnet, and rear body are streamlined to enhance acceleration and speed. The front fascia immediately catches your eye with its absence of a traditional grille, unlike other electric cars. The tiny connected LED headlights give it a distinctive look, complemented by double boomerang air intakes on each side that reduce drag at high speeds, enabling the car to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The Zeekr X offers a choice of 19-inch or 20-inch tires, and its body frame near the roof is painted black to match the dark-shaded panoramic glass sunroof, which extends to the rear, forming a roof spoiler for a sportier appearance. At the rear, U-shaped taillights set it apart from the common full-width tail light bars found on many SUVs, while the two-tone paint on the rear bumper adds to its youthful appeal. To access the interior, you simply touch the door handles, which automatically unlock the doors, a feature that works on both front and rear passenger doors. Additionally, a circular screen on the outside of the B-pillar provides charging information when plugged in. The 2025 Zeekr X measures 4,450 millimeters in length, 1,836 millimeters in width, and 1,572 millimeters in height, with a wheelbase of 2,750 millimeters. In terms of size, the Zeekr X is 4,432 millimeters long, making it 162 millimeters longer than the Smart No. 1, despite having the same wheelbase. Stepping inside the Zeekr X, you'll find luxury materials fitted throughout the dashboard, door panels, and seats, ensuring a comfortable ride. The two-spoke steering wheel features buttons for voice commands and media functions, with the brand logo prominently displayed at the center. Behind the steering wheel, an 8.8-inch LCD instrument panel displays speed, driving range, and warnings. Additionally, a 24.3-inch head-up display keeps the driver focused on the road. The center of the dashboard showcases an innovative feature, a 14.6-inch touchscreen that can move automatically from one side of the dashboard to the other with a simple swipe. Returning it to its original position is done with the push of a button. This feature helps keep passengers engaged during longer trips. The touchscreen serves multiple functions, including multimedia system, real-time maps, over-the-air updates, climate control, 360-degree camera, ambient lighting, vehicle settings, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and radio. The stereo system is complemented by a 13-speaker Yamaha audio system, providing an immersive sound experience. The center console, which houses cup holders and a storage compartment, can be moved backward to allow easy movement between the driver's seat and the front passenger seat. The seats are wrapped in Nappa leather upholstery, offering seating capacity for 5 people, 2 at the front and 3 at the rear. There's another interesting feature for pet owners. The rear seats can be raised to create a pet yard, preventing pets from staining the leather seats. The Zeekr X luxury car shares the C2 Sustainable Experience architecture, modular platform with the Smart No. 3, Volvo EX30, and Smart No. 1, as all these brands are owned by the same parent company, Geely. The Zeekr X is offered in 2 drivetrains, both equipped with a 69 kWh battery. The single-motor variant can drive up to 270 miles on a full charge, while the dual-motor variant has a range of 250 miles. The Zeekr X supports 150 kilowatts DC fast charging, allowing it to charge from 10% to 80% in just 28 minutes, comparable to the Tesla Model 3 long range. This makes the Zeekr X one of the fastest-charging electric cars in the world. It also features a 22 kilowatts AC charger, which can fully charge the battery in 4 hours. The most powerful variant of the Zeekr X is the dual-motor all-wheel drive version, which produces 428 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. It has a top speed of 180 kilometers per hour and can sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The single rear-wheel drive variant of the Zeekr X generates 168 horsepower and 253 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 5.6 seconds, while maintaining the same top speed as the dual-motor variant. How does the Zeekr X feel on the road? When you are behind the wheel, the Zeekr X feels more like a compact MPV than an SUV, with an upright driving position and ample headroom, bringing to mind comparisons with the BMW i3. Driving the Zeekr X around the Ningbo International Circuit, it demonstrated incredible agility and poise in tight corners. Thanks to its dual-motor technology, which provides superior traction, the vehicle is both responsive and stable despite its compact size. The adaptive suspension smoothed out any flaws on the track, and the sophisticated braking system, which operates twice as quickly as conventional brakes, further boosted driving confidence. Safety features in the Zeekr X include 7 airbags, internal anti-collision beams, 15 cameras, 1mm wave radar, a driver performance monitor, fatigue driving reminder, lane departure warning, lane center assist, forward and rear collision warning, and more. The Zeekr X is priced at $33,200 for the rear-wheel drive variant and $37,350 for the top all-wheel drive variant, which is quite impressive and enticing for a luxury SUV. The Zeekr X has already made its way into Thailand and is currently on sale there. The next markets include the Philippines, Laos, and Myanmar, with plans to expand to Cambodia, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, and Vietnam within a few months. Europe, Latin America, and Oceania are the brand's next targets. If you were given the chance to take the Zeekr X, would you accept it or choose another electric car? Let us know in the comments.